Whale Ice Warriors! I'm the Emperor Penguin, Antarctica's undefeated champ! I freedive 1,800 feet into pitch black ocean, holding breath 20 plus minutes, snatching fish and krill while leopard seals hunt me. I huddle 69 days straight in minus 60 degrees Fahrenheit hellstorm, rotating positions like soldiers, balancing egg on feet while wind rips at 120 miles per hour. I slide 15 miles per hour on my belly across ice, escaping orcas. Fast for months without food, losing half my weight. Then feast! My black tuxedo camouflages perfectly dark-back hides from killer whales below. White belly blends with ice above. Toughest dad on planet Earth to 99% chicks survive because of Emmy. Who's tougher?